Hello, diamond painting with cats and dogs here. This is Tolly. It's been a minute. I got glue over there. I don't know how the heck I did that. Anyways, it's been a minute, and I just wanted to show you some things here. We are getting ready to hopefully kick off our business. It's gonna be still a few, but I wanted to kind of show you some samples, and this is, Helen did this, but we are going, and I hope you guys like this. You have to give us your opinion on what you think, but to start off with, she made me a bag, da-da-da, and that is our logo. As you can see, we're still working the finer tunes, but this is the concept here. And this is our initials. So it's diamond painting with cats and dogs. That's where we came up with the initial. But that's what we're going to start using more and more. But she made the little puppy paws. Well, they're paws. I have cats. She's got dogs. So we wanted to kind of show you this. But she made this for me. Really cute. I love the bag. It's really good quality. It's a canvas. So, but she put our logo on there. So that was the first thing she made. And then she made me this. Isn't this cute? It could be a makeup bag. You could put your release paper in here. You can put diamond painting pens. You can put pens. Now, she also made this. Isn't this cute? It's a regular pen, but it has our initials on it. Diamond painting with cats and dogs. And it's a regular pen, and boy, it writes really nice. But she had got these, and I put them in here, so I wanted you guys to see it. But you know, it has our brand name on it, and then and she made the bag with you know, with the little paws. So this is kind of the start. We just I wanted to bring it out to you. She also has made stickers. She got with our diamond painting cats and dogs on it. We're also going to make release paper and stickers. And the little stickers are going to have paws on them. And we're going to do all DMC codes, 1 to 3,000, whatever it is. And 1 through 100, things like that. But we're still in the working process. But she made me this mug. And it's a really nice mug. But da-da-da. Isn't that cool? Whoops. It's really pretty. She did a great job. But she made me this mug. And she made me another one that's purple. This inside and the handle, and it's got a cat on it. But I don't have it with me right now. But here's the mug she made. So we will start selling the mugs, the little bags you can store things in, like I said, your diamond painting pins. You can put release paper in here. You makeup bag, whatever you would like, really. And then these. So this is just some of the items that we're gonna, eventually here represent. But we want to get some feedback first and see what you guys think of how you like our logo. So if you can spread the word, it would be great. For our video, and let us know what you think. Like I said, we could convert these pens probably into diamond painting pens, but we just got some to write with, but let me know, and then we can go from there. But that's kind of what we're getting ready to do. But I wanted to kind of give you a sample. So just let us know in the comments below. And tell us what you think. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.